So let us discuss the moments of beta distribution of second kind. If x is a beta 2 variate with parameters m comma n, this is the PDF. F of x is equal to 1 by beta mn x power m minus 1 1 plus x whole power m plus n. So moments means in continuous distributions we calculate the non-central moments. That to rth non-central moment we will calculate. Moreover, here moments means we are going to calculate only mean and variance, not all the or four moments. We know that this is expectation of x power r. It can be written as x power r into f of x dx. That is x power r into, what is the PDF here? 1 by beta m comma n x power m minus 1 by 1 plus x whole power m plus n into dx. So as beta mn is a constant with respect to x, take it out of the integral. These two can be written as x power m plus r minus 1. As the bases are equal, I am adding the powers. 1 plus x whole power m plus n dx. Now to write this in terms of beta, so try to look into another one called, we know that beta mn is equal to either 0 to 1 in the beta of first kind x power m minus 1 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx, or if you are using beta 2, we can write that as beta mn is equal to integral 0 to infinity x power m minus 1 by 1 plus x whole power m plus n dx. These two integrals with changing limits both stands for beta mn only. Either in beta 1 we have used this integral, in beta 2 distribution of second kind we are going to use this integral. So here we have 1 by beta of m comma n. Here you have integral x power m plus r minus 1. So before minus 1 we have m here we have m plus r. In the denominator you have 1 plus x, you have m plus n. As m to get beta function, what I said, if it is m minus 1, okay, you are getting beta m. So here in place of m you have m plus r. Here also for simplification let us add and subtract minus r here. So in place of m you have m plus r, in place of r you have m plus r, in place of n you have n minus r. So this entire integral, again I am repeating, beta mn can be written as integral 0 to infinity, this is also the change, 0 to infinity x power m minus 1 1 plus x whole power m plus n. Before minus 1 you have m here, before minus 1 you have m plus r. So here m should be replaced with m plus r. So as you have added r, better is subtract r also to get the same term like m plus n. Here you have m plus r, before minus 1 you have r, so you can replace m with m plus r, but n, in place of n, by adjusting you will get n minus r. This entire function is going to represent, instead of beta mn you will get, in place of m you have m plus r, in place of n you have n minus r. Got it? Now again, let us try to write all these betas into, you got this as beta of m plus r comma n minus r by beta of m comma n. What is the relation between beta mn and gamma functions? Gamma m into gamma n by gamma m plus n. Moreover, gamma n is n minus 1 factorial. So beta m beta m plus r n minus r can be written as gamma m plus r into gamma n minus r by gamma m plus n plus r minus r. You have into 1 by beta mn, so you will get the reciprocal of this, gamma m plus n by gamma m into gamma n. So gamma m plus r can be written as m plus r minus 1 factorial. Gamma n minus r can be written as n minus r minus 1 factorial. Plus r minus r will get cancels, and gamma m plus n. Here you have gamma m plus n. By gamma m can be written as m minus 1 factorial, gamma n can be written as n minus 1 factorial. So you got that as m plus r minus 1 factorial into n minus r minus 1 factorial by m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This is mu r dash. Here it is sufficient to calculate variance and mean. So if you put r is equal to 1, you will get m plus 1 minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 minus 1 factorial by m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. M factorial into n minus 2 factorial by m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial, which is nothing but m factorial can be written as m into m minus 1 factorial into n minus 2 factorial by, write this as it is. I think n minus 1 can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. You got m by n minus 1 is mu 1 dash, mean of beta 2. These two are very important derivations. Okay, let us see. If you put r is equal to 2 in that, you will get mu 2 dash is equal to gamma m plus 2 into gamma n minus 2 by gamma. Put r is equal to 2 in, put r is equal to 2 in mu r dash, gamma m into gamma n, which is nothing but m plus 2 minus 1 factorial n minus 2 minus 1 factorial by m factorial can be written as minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This is m plus 1 factorial into n minus 3 factorial by m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. I think this m plus 7 can be written as m plus 1 into m into m minus 1 factorial. Write this as it is. M minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. You will get this as m into m plus 1 by n plus 1 into n minus 2. You work it out mu 2. Okay, mu 2 is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. On simplification, you will get this as, you try to simplify this. These are mean and variance of beta distribution of second kind. Thank you.